Hi yogis, let's get started right away on our backs. Come into Supta Baddha Konasana, supine bound angle pose. Bring the soles of your feet to touch. Butterfly your knees open. Place your right hand on your heart and your left hand on your belly. Close your eyes and take a moment to connect with your breath, to turn a little bit more inward, and to get nice and comfortable. Take a deep inhale through your nose and a big exhale out of your mouth. Now seal your lips and just continue to breathe. Grab your knees and close them like a book. Once you've done that, reach your arms out to the side and then allow both of your knees to drop to the right. So you may use a little bit of your core for this. And then you gaze your face to the left so that you can retrieve the ultimate twist here. And just be sure that both of your shoulders are down on the mat. So use your core to shift your knees back to center and just allow them to drop to the left as you work your gaze to the right. Nice. Now use your core to send your knees back to center and then bring your knees to your chest and then open them up for happy baby pose. So grab for the outer parts of your ankles and you have the option to rock from side to side if you'd like. Nice. So grab your knees, close them, and take a few rock and rolls until you find the momentum and come up into boat pose, Navasana. You have the option to extend your arms out. You can grab your thighs. You can relax your fingertips down, completely up to you. For 4, 3, cross your legs in 2, and 1. So cross your legs and then make your way into tabletop pose. Take a deep inhale. Drop your belly down. And then exhale, cat pose around it. So we'll just take some cat cows here, warming up the spine. You may add in some neck rolls if needed. And when you've had enough, just come back to stillness. Spread your fingers out nice and wide. Tuck your toes in. Big inhale here. Exhale, high plank. So have your shoulders, hips, heels all in one straight line. Fire up your core. Big inhale here. Exhale, downward facing dog. Shoot your hips back. Take a few kinks and pops out of your legs. You may walk your dog if needed. Every time you exhale, send your heart closer to your thighs. So walk your fingers back to your toes and then keep going. Unroll all the way up like a fruit roll up, all the way up to standing. Keep going with your arms. Bring your palms to touch. Big inhale. Exhale, bring your hands to your heart. Stand at attention. Close your eyes and take a moment to set an intention for your practice. And whatever intention you set, seal that in with a big inhale through your nose. Send it out. Open mouth, exhale. Nice. So drop your hands down to the side and from here, separate your feet, heels in, toes out, and we'll create a garland pose. So drop your hips down, bring your hands to your heart. You can use your arms to separate your knees even more and stand up nice and tall in this posture. Now make your way back to that high plank. And we'll lower it down to low plank. So have your arms by your sides, have your elbows at a 90-degree angle, fire up your core. Inhale, upward facing dog, roll your shoulders back. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a deep inhale, lift your right leg high. Exhale, low lunge, step your right foot in between your hands. Find the balance, take a deep inhale, crescent lunge pose, reach your arms up, and then exhale, baby back bend. So keep going, bend your elbows at a 90-degree angle and open your heart. Good, so deep inhale here, Exhale, hinge forward. Now get ready to unravel. Inhale, star pose. Make yourself nice and big. Exhale, horse. Bring your hands to your heart. Bend your knees. Good. Inhale, back to star. Make a big circle. Exhale, horse. Good. Take a deep inhale here. And then exhale, warrior two. So adjust your legs so that your back leg is straight and strong. Inhale, reverse warrior. Open to the side. Exhale, low lunge. Plant both of your palms down. Inhale, three-leg dog. Keep that leg up. Exhale, one leg chaturanga. Try it out. Inhale, upward facing dog. Roll your shoulders back. Exhale, downward facing dog. Let's do the left side. Take a deep inhale. Lift your left leg nice and high. Exhale, low lunge. Step your left foot in between your hands. Inhale, crescent lunge pose. Arms come up. Exhale, baby back bend. So bend the elbows, expose the heart. Inhale, back to crescent. Exhale, hinge forward with airplane arms. Unravel, inhale, star. Make yourself big. Exhale, horse. Come down. Let's make another big circle. Inhale, star. Exhale, horse. Nice. So big inhale here. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, low lunge. Windmill your arms. Plant your palms. Inhale, three-leg dog. Left leg comes up. Exhale, one leg chaturanga. Fire up your core. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, child's pose this time. So separate your knees. Send your hips back. Have your big toes to touch. Bow your forehead down to the earth. Maybe even take a reverse prayer, having your thumbs touch your back. Nice. Now begin to rise and make your way all the way down to your belly. Zip your legs up nice and straight and interlace your fingers behind you. We'll take a bound locust. So when you're ready, inhale, lift both legs, lift your chest. Use the strength of your spine for 4, 3, 2, 1, and release on your favorite cheek with your palms facing the ceiling. Stay here as long as you'd like, and I'll see you in the next class. Namaste.